Good evening, everyone. We are finally here at our resort. We are staying at the Wyndham Bonnet Creek, Club Wyndham. And first, let me say that we got in, we booked a 2-bedroom, and we were upgraded to a 3-bedroom. So we have this awesome, amazing space for just the two of us. Let's go take a peek and have a look, shall we? Alrighty. So, when you first walk in, you have this nice long hallway here. I want to show you the other 2 bedrooms, and then I'll walk into the master. So off to, which is our left, it's going to be the first bedroom. Nice little queen bed here. Again, we got upgraded. We were not expecting to upgrade, and they said, hey, you guys got a 3-bedroom for 2 people. But look at this view. We have the Skyliner there in the background, way back there running. We can see, oh my goodness, I can see Tower of Terror. I can see Patio. I can see Expedition Everest over there. We have such an amazing view. And then look at this lake that we can see from this bedroom window. Wow, this is amazing. It's great. So this is the first bedroom. Like I said, queen bed. It's a nice little TV in it too. Looks to be like about a 55-inch maybe. Sorry, I had a long flight. I'm dehydrated. My throat is like threatening to close up on me because I did not drink enough water on flight. Alright, anyway, so that's the first bedroom, or one of the bedrooms. Here's another bedroom. Looks like it has 2 queen beds. These queens, right, hon? Maybe full. Okay. But you got 2 of them here. And again, this is the 3-bedroom. she's so happy. Look at her. I think she's happy not to be in the plane right now.
And I'm happy not to be squished up against another human that is not my husband or my child or anybody that I'm related to or familiar with.
That's true. We have another window overlooking the lake, and I asked if we can get a window or a room overlooking the lake because I thought we were just going to have the 2-bedroom, but again, it turns out that we got the 3. But this is amazing.
Look at the koi down there.
Oh yeah, they're feeding the koi. You guys can't see that. Let me see if I can zoom in. There is koi down there, and they're feeding the koi. This is great. Again, we are totally grateful that we got an upgrade just for us two. Washer and dryer. Oh my goodness. Washer and dryer in here. And we also have a second bathroom, which, I mean, I guess I'll just have to start taking showers in here if I want to take a shower. I don't know. I take 2 showers a day. No, it's a waste of water. Don't do that. But this is the other bathroom. This is in here. All right. And then there's a sink just outside this bathroom. So you have this bathroom here, and then just outside is a sink. So sink in the bathroom, another sink outside the bathroom. So if you have a multi-generational family that you're traveling with, or plenty of kids, you got 2 sinks over here in this area over here, and this is where the 2 bedrooms are at. Right? Our kiddo was not out. He chose not to come, but this would have been a great little property for, even if he didn't want to visit the parks, which he's sometimes like, he could have just stayed here, our son, and just kind of hung out in this enormous space. This is bigger than our house. I kid you not. And over here in the kitchen, what do we have over there, hon? Oh, okay, thank you.
A blender. It's your standard timeshare kitchen. You've got all the things you need.
Yeah, open up the cabinets again. Let me get a shot. Please and thank you. All right.
It looks like service for 12 in here because there's so many rooms.
And then plenty of cups, wine glasses. What's up here. You got it?
Nothing.
Nothing up there. We have
A fancy microwave.
yeah, pretty nice.
A stove with an oven. Not always in a timeshare. Cheese grater, spatula, nice spatula. These are not great, but that's okay. But most importantly,
Oh yes, we're gonna need that.
silverware, pots and pans, I'm sure. Yep. Pots and
We have
pans,
a dishwasher here. Got some pots and pans.
fire extinguisher under there.
Trash can and some
Some cleaning stuff.
some cleaning supplies. Just a little bit.
A little bowl for your popcorn.
Bowl. Ice cream maker in there. It has a pitcher.
Not an ice cream, just an ice maker.
I'm sorry, ice maker. It's been a long day, y'all.
Pitcher. We'll get our Instacart in like 2 hours.
And then you have this really nice dining room table for 8 people, which you guys can, if you have a big old family, you guys can eat here or eat here in the living room. There's also a bar with bar stools. We'll go out in the patio in just a moment. Let me show you the bedroom. This would be the master bedroom here. And from our room, our view, we still get a little bit of Disney property over there. We have the Swan and Dolphin. Still see Terra way over there. Zoom in. There we go. So we still get a really decent view of the Disney properties from where we are. And this is on the 13th floor. Over there we have Epcot. I don't know if you guys can see Epcot over there. Cannot see Magic Kingdom. That would be, I think, more that way. But it's not bad. Not a bad view. Not bad to wake up to. Excuse me. My goodness. I'm gonna have a lot of water after this. And this is a king size bed. So we sleep on a queen, and a queen sometimes might be a little too much. We like to sleep close to each other, but this king here, huge. Comes with a flat screen TV. You have a closet right here, which my wife has already decided to take over. That is okay. And a nice little jacuzzi tub. Get that nice bubble. And then there's a window right above the tub, but it's frosted, so you can leave up the blinds there and not have any worry that someone's going to see you from across the way or anything, which is nice. Nice little peace of mind. Sink, and we have toilet here. The sink. So there's 2 sinks. So one person can get ready here, another person can get ready here. One here. One in here. Hello. And then we also have a shower in here as well. Alright. Let's go check out the patio. Again, this place is huge. Huge, and there's only 2 of us, y'all. Be careful, there's a lip right there. Just tripped over that. But this is the patio, and this is from on floor 13. There's still 2 more floors above us, so I'm assuming that's like a presidential suite or something like that. But I mean, this is great. I am completely happy with this, and I'm very satisfied. And then to get an upgrade as well. My goodness. My goodness. So that is going to be our little suite tour. Again, this is a 3-bedroom here at Club Wyndham or Wyndham Bonnet Creek. Long day for us. We are now going to we're gonna have a snack, I think, or we might head over to Disney Springs. I've been thinking about poutine all day. My wife mentioned it in San Diego when we boarded our flight, and I was like, yes, I want that. And every time she was like, you hungry? I'm like, poutine, please. So we might go to Disney Springs. We're waiting for our Instacart to come in.
Those cabinets are not soft.
We have soft close cabinets at home, and my wife's over here slamming cabinets. So we're going to, I think we're going to go get some food. Instacart probably delivers in like another 2 hours. I think we can make it to Disney Springs and back. I don't know.
Oh no, it's for shopping.
Okay, maybe not.
Alright.
So we're gonna wait for Instacart, and then we're gonna head over to Disney Springs for some poutine.
Maybe unless we get a pizza delivered here.
And maybe a drink or two, but we're going to enjoy this resort here. So that's that. We'll get back to you guys a little bit later. I hope, if I can remember. We'll see. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, everyone. Well, that's gonna do it for today. We did go down. We were gonna go to Disney Springs. We didn't get our baggage in time. It took a while for them to bring it up. So we didn't go to Disney Springs. Instead, we went downstairs. We had some pizza, got a couple drinks, brought it up to the room. We like inhaled that because that was our first and only meal of the day. And then after that, we are now actually getting ready for tomorrow. I'll show you. That is us getting ready for tomorrow. It's all of our stuff on, the bed, ears, hats. Got my lightsaber here, missing the top part, and then belt clip on that as well, because I'll be taking that apart. And our suitcases are kind of everywhere. So we are getting ready for tomorrow, but now we're gonna finish getting ready, and then we're heading to bed. I have to wake up early tomorrow so I can try to get a boarding pass for Rise of Resistance. The queue opens up at 7 a.m. so I'm going to wake up at 6:30 and then just wait around till about 6:59 and see if I can score a boarding pass. Alrighty, that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. Exploring Yeti.
Did you say I was yelling at you?
I'm not saying I was yelling at anybody.
We didn't eat for 18 hours?
Like I said, we only had one meal today, and that was the meal that we just ate. Aside from that, we have not had a meal. All kinds of weird.
We also slept for only 3 hours.
We didn't get much sleep.
Yeah.
Anyway. We're done for the night. Like I said, we're done. All done. Exploring Yeti here in Orlando. Woo! At Wyndham
Bonnet Creek.
I couldn't remember the name because I'm tired.
That's what I'm here for.
We got 3 hours of sleep last night, and now we're going to enjoy this tub here.
Oh, I'm gonna get in that bathtub.
And we're gonna enjoy the rest of our evening. Thank you. We will see you guys tomorrow for Disney Hollywood Studios and our first day of exploring the Magic Kingdom here. So we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.
Bye.
Be kind and be safe.
Make good choices.
Make very good choices, please.